What we're going to be doing is making a fakeaway. A Five Guys burger, absolutely fantastic. Got some lovely ribcat aged mince from Tom Hixson of Smithfield, and I'm going to show you the other bits you can easily pick up at your local supermarket and knock together. Absolutely delicious. I've got some lovely ribcat mince here from Tom Hixson's. It's got quite a bit of fat in there, but that's exactly what you're going to want. Some red onions, some tomatoes, some lovely seeded buns, some mature cheese and some pancetta. So it's quite straightforward. We start off with our mince. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push it down and I'm going to season it well with some salt and some pepper. So we're going to make a double, so I want them quite big, about the size of my hand. I'm going to roll them into a nice ball, like so. Now we've got our balls, make sure they're equal sizes. Get our pan nice and hot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with a bit of oil and I'm going to crisp up my bacon in the pan first. So you've got that nice bacon flavour, that's if you're using bacon. So a little bit of oil, a little bit of pancetta I've got here. It's nice and thin, cooks really quickly. Just going to drop that in the pan, turn it up, crisp that off nicely. While that's cooking, I'm going to cut my tomatoes. Nice slices, nice thick slice. Tomatoes there. An onion, I tend to like them diced rather than whole, so just nice diced onion there, red onions. There's my bacon, nicely cooked. Just transfer that to a plate to crisp up. Now I've got all that lovely bacon on it, start my burger. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my burger into the pan like so. Press it down. Add some salt to that again, a little bit of pepper, and it's a little trick I've got, a little bit of French's mustard. Want to get a nice colour on that. Now what I'm going to do, a little trick they do in the American diners, I'm going to add a tiny splash of water, I'm going to put a lid on it, create a bit of steam, help cook that burger through. Now for my cheese. Add my bacon to that. I'm going to push that slightly to one side. I'm just going to add the base of my bun just to get all them lovely flavours in there. I'm going to start off, I like a bit of mayonnaise. I have a little bit of mayonnaise on the bottom there. Then I'm going to add a splash of ketchup, a little bit of French's. I'm going to put my red onions on there, some gherkins, tomato, nice bit of lettuce. Put a lid on that burger, tiny bit more steam. Five Guys Phil. Next customer please.